Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into hurricane. 7 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Whirlwind, which means a column of air moving rapidly round and round in a cylindrical or funnel shape. Whirlwind. For example, the building was hit by a hellish whirlwind. Number 2. Tempest, which means a violent windy storm. Tempest. For example, the tempest of World War II. Number 3. Storm, which means a violent disturbance of the atmosphere with strong winds and usually rain, thunder, lightning, or snow. Storm. For example, the severe storms that battered Orkney earlier this year. Number 4. Gale, which means a very strong wind. Gale. For example, the church spire was blown down during a gale. If you have better examples in mind, please share them in the comment section below. It is now the time to hit the subscribe button.